kitchen trying to get these zucchinis taken care of from all the harvesting I did in my garden. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I had 7 zucchini, so I have taken one of them and I've peeled them, and I'm going to try to make some zucchini chips. And what I did was I took a zucchini and then I peeled it and I just sliced it, and then I'm going to try to put some of this seasoning on there to see how they're going to look. So I've done 2 trays so far, so all I did was cut them as thin as I possibly could, and then I'm just sprinkling some of this seasoning over the top of them to give it a little taste, because I've never made these before. So we're gonna give this a try, because I've been watching some YouTube videos to see exactly what I can do with all the zucchini that I harvest out of my garden, and this was one of the suggestions. And I'm also going to cut up the zucchini, put it in a freezer bag, and then I'm going to put that away, and I'm going to use some of those in soups. And then I'm going to dehydrate some zucchini, because I want to make some zucchini powder, and I want to be able to put that in my smoothies in the morning. So your girl is over here trying to use up all these whopper zucchinis that I have over here, and I harvest them, and I am not going to let them go to waste. So I will come back later and let you guys see how the zucchini chips turn out. And I'm going to put these in my dehydrator under the setting of 125, and I'm just going to let them cook and dehydrate until they look like chips. And I love this sauce, this little seasoning. This is the name of it, so you guys can see exactly what it looks like if you ever want to try it. And I brought this at Walmart. You know, you can find a little bit of everything at Walmart. But alright guys, let me finish chopping this stuff up, and I will come back to you later and let you see exactly what these zucchini chips look like. I am dying to try them. Alright guys, I will talk to you later. Cut up one of the zucchini because I'm going to make some soup with zucchini chunks, and then over here I'm going to make some marinated zucchini teriyaki jerky, and it's just teriyaki sauce with some water. And then I cut up the zucchini and took off the skin, and then I'm just going to let these marinate overnight, and then I will put them in the dehydrator, and we're going to see what it looks like. And of course, I saved my zucchini seeds. I'm going to dry these out so I'll have them ready for next year. Now, I'm off to do some pickling of some zucchini. And when I get that done, I will show you the results of that. Alright, your girl is working out on all this zucchini. And this is all I have left, is these 2. So, off I go. Here is my pickled zucchini. I've never had pickled zucchini before, but I am going to give it a try and see what it looks like. So I have the garlic in there, and I have the dill, and I have the peppercorns. I put a little red pepper in there, and then I put it in a pickling brine. That's a refrigerator brine that would be ready in 24 hours. So I will come back and give you an update how I enjoyed these pickled zucchini. If you guys have ever had pickled zucchini, let me know down in the comments. Alright guys, have a wonderful day.